Thursday, the 27th of October, and it's just after 9 o'clock. Well, we've had a nice big candle again yesterday, short for the Australian dollar, and already we've seen it got quite a fair candle on today. So we've got this afternoon for the American dollar, we've got the gross domestic product that's at 13:30 GMT. The RSI has just gone below the 30.9, and basically I'm expecting it to continue down unless the RSI comes back up above the 30.9. So that's a confirmed bear market as far as I'm concerned. We are coming down onto a little touch of support, daily support. So you know, if we do stall for a couple of days here, I think that's all it is, and we're going to continue down. Pound GBP, we have a commercial short ratio of 1.12, which seems fairly small, but the commercials have been bullish of the pound for such a long time that is a fairly good short position for them to take on the pound against the US dollar. And we've had a little bit of a retraction a few days ago, and we've started to come back down now, and I'm expecting the pound to go down to this first support at about 129. So I'm expecting more downside. We're below the 50 on the RSI and pointing down. So well, we'll see how that goes today. This is the USD CAD. I actually took a position on this yesterday, long, and I've come nicely into profit. We're above the 69.1, which is fantastic. That's confirming a bull market on this as far as I'm concerned. We have a commercial 3.68 a short to sorry, excuse me, 3.681 to short for the commercials. So that's short the CAD, long the US dollar. Basically, at the ECB meeting yesterday, Mr. Draghi said that they will be extending the quantitative easing program. So they can have another 9 months of quantitative easing. And we saw this nice red candle come yesterday for the euro, and we've actually followed through a little bit today, and I'm expecting to see more downside in this. We're well below the 50 on the RSI and pointing down, and we have a commercial short ratio of 1.67, which after being bullish, extremely bullish for nearly 5 years, that is quite a short position for the commercials. USD JPY. I took a trade out on this yesterday. We crossed the trend line on the RSI, and I saw an opportunity and took a trade out. It's gone a little bit against me. It is only a small trade. We have a commercials long ratio for the yen of 3.37. I think if I was doing this again, I think I'm going to be moving my trend line over. So I'd like this really to go above the 69.1 and then come back down through it. So we'll see where that goes. New Zealand dollar USD, it is continuing down. It's below the 30.9, well below it. It's at 22.7. I'm expecting this to continue as long as this holds below the 30.9. So that's what we're looking for. This is to continue down and holding below the 30.9. Silver. Well, I'm nearly into profit on this trade. A little bit of strength in the dollar, and we've seen the silver prices falling off. So we're below the 50 on the RSI at 40.9, and we're pointing down. So as long as this continues in the direction it's going, then basically we're silver bears. Okay, thank you very much for watching.